Today, our video is regarding Pilex tablet, which offers effective management in bleeding and non-bleeding piles, and also aids in wound healing. We will let you know how this tablet works, its uses, its dosage, how to use the tablet, and its possible side effects. Pilex tablets works by shrinking the hemorrhoid mass and stopping the bleeding. It reduces inflammation of mucous membrane and skin, thus healing the skin, and reduces rectal bleeding. It also has anti-inflammatory, anti-microbial properties along with mild laxative action. Pilex tablet is used under below-mentioned conditions, including bleeding piles, non-bleeding piles, anal discomfort or pain, healing of wound, internal or external hemorrhoids, varicose veins, itching, and used in chronic constipation associated with piles. Note: in case of fissure, you can use Pilex tablets along with Pilex ointment. This combination give relief from anal discomfort, reduce size of hemorrhoids, and removes anal pain. Now let's see how to use this tablet. Pilex tablet comes in packing of 60 tablets. The adult dosage of Pilex tablets is 2 tablets twice daily. That is, you need to take 2 tablets in the morning and 2 tablets in the evening. Generally, it may take 4 to 12 weeks to provide good results in the management of piles. Also avoid oily, spicy and sour foods during your piles treatment. The composition of Pilex tablets is given below, which constitute of different herbs, all of which are playing its important role. Reportedly, there are no side effects for this tablet. Help us grow by joining and subscribing the channel. And if you have any question, drop below, we will answer that.